Hey guys, Bernie from the Teacher Dashboard team here. Today we're going to be going through how to change your date, time, and language settings. Administrators, once you have logged into your Teacher Dashboard, please have a look at your date, time, and language settings in school settings. So once you're in the home screen, navigate to the school settings tab at the top here and then select your correct default language. At the moment I've got US here, but I want to change mine to the UK because the date format for all assignments will be in the US setting, being the month followed by the day followed by the year if the default language is chosen as English US. So I've changed mine to UK so that I have my date format, which is the day followed by the month followed by the year. So once you've selected that default language, check that your time zone is correct so that all of the times of your assignments is correct, and then click Save down the bottom to save your settings. The other setting you need to change for the language setting to correct your date formats is up here on the top right hand corner. Select your correct language, and that also will ensure that your date settings on assignments are the correct date format. Say, for instance, I would like to change Teacher Dashboard's language across the entire dashboard to be another language. I can do so from school settings. So navigate to school settings from the home page and then select my default language. Selecting this language here will change the language that the OneDrive folders are created in. So for instance, if I would like my folders in my OneDrive and my student OneDrives to be in Dutch, I select Netherlands. Then the other setting that we can change once we have saved the setting by hitting save, we can also change all of the menus and all of the text across Teacher Dashboard, Student Dashboard in its entirety by clicking on this top right-hand corner and selecting the language that we would like Teacher Dashboard to be displayed in. So for instance, here again, I'm selected Dutch, and I can see straight away that once the page is refreshed, all of my menus and all of the information in Teacher Dashboard is in Dutch. Teachers, what you might find is that when you navigate to your assignments in Teacher Dashboard, if you have a look at your assignments in List View, then you might find that the due dates are not in the format that you would like them to be. In this example, for instance, I'm currently using the US setting, so my date formats for my assignment is the month followed by the day followed by the year. What I would like to do, because I'm in Australia and would like to see the date setting in day, month, and year format, I can click on the language setting up at the top right hand corner here and select English UK. Once I've selected that, we can see now that the date settings are correct for my region. If, however, I'm in the US and I've got the UK settings on my dates for my assignments, then do exactly the same, but simply change the UK setting to the US setting. So again, we can just toggle between the language setting, and that will then change our date setting. Students, once you have logged into Student Dashboard, you also might find that you would like to change your date settings of your assignments. The way that you can check your date settings very quickly is from your home screen. Click on List View to have a look at your assignments as a list. And here we can see our due dates. Straight away, I've got a month followed by day followed by year. For my particular region, I would like the day, month, and year setting. So similarly to teachers, I can click on the top right hand language setting button and change my setting to English UK. That will now update my dates. So now I have day, month, and year as the default time setting, date and time setting for my assignments. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more TD tips, please head to our TD tips blog. Our video tutorials, user manual, and facts can be found at support.teacherdashboard365.com. Our Yammer is at yammer.com/TD365. And for any support, please